We finally arrived at Mahogany Nature Camp Tanay. If you're traveling from Manila, watch out for that signage on the left side of the road along Marilaque Highway. The good thing about this campsite is it's only a walking distance from the road. I think it took us 3 minutes to reach it. When you arrive, you need to check in at their receiving area, and in front of it is their wide parking lot. So if you're traveling via car, that won't be a problem. We booked an overnight stay at Villa 5, which is good for 4 to 6 person for 4,750 pesos. We have here their hanging basket chair, dining table, and over here we have a griller, a gas stove with kitchen utensils. By the way, we also added a Wi-Fi since there's no reception here. That's 200 pesos consumable throughout our stay. Some hanging and sink cabinets. We also availed another add-on, which is drinking water for 50 pesos. And then I suggest you bring your own disposable plates, spoon, and fork na lang because I think those are what's missing here. Then over here we have their sink and a personal refrigerator. Then over here we have their toilet and shower, which is spacious. Although I checked, medyo mahina ang pressure, but it's functioning naman. Now let's go to their bedroom. Pag bungad mo, you'll see their Videoke, a stand fan. Then we have 1 sofa bed and 2 double beds, kaya talagang kasyang-kasya ang 6 na tao rito. They also have other villas that can accommodate more than that. If you're interested in booking at Mahogany Nature Camp, check out the description box of my vlog for their FB page and all other information. So this is one of their viewing decks, and this is by far my favorite spot here in Mahogany Campsite.
Guess things are changing, so you meant to text me twice with the invitation. You're out there waiting with your hazard lights.
So those are their 2 A-frame cabins which are good for 2 people. Around the area, you'll see several cottages like this, which you can also rent out. And they also have 5 inflatable family pools like this, which you'll have an access to. They also have platform areas like this where you can pitch your tent. So this is their function hall, which you can rent out, and I think this is pretty good for team building and stuff like that. There's a lot of recreational activities that you can do, so you can never get bored. Keep me in my clothes. He called me a star. He said you're gonna blow 200 kilo per hour. Let's keep on the fog lights and go. Right then shit got crazy. We just left on the fog lights. Whatever, oh. I think we left the fog lights. Right then shit got crazy. We just left on the fog lights. Whatever, oh. That's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Pat to Helio. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye!